Come on, you can at least say something.
Something.
Yeah. Ew.
Hmm?
Come on.
Something.
You look conflicted. Have you tried making a pros and cons list?
Sorry, White. I won't be joining you at the Old City today. I'm still feeling a little sore from that last mission. Before you go, could you rub this knot out of my shoulder? Pretty please.
So? don't know. Fine.
Oh my god! Aw.
No.
Sorry, White. Before you... Sorry, White. Before you... Ew.
Looking to drop something off of Mikey?
I thought you might like this.
Oh, yeah. You're back.
Don't act so happy to see me.
Let's see here. Your next mission requires this neon rank. Well, look at that. Your neon rank is sufficient to move on to a new assignment. You've earned yourself a Heavenly Delight ticket. How fun. One moment while I check on Mr. Mikey's schedule. Mr. Mikey will see you now.
Wait, really? That was fast.
It's your lucky day, sir.
Bro, what is up?
Shoot, it's Yellow. I haven't talked to him after all that stuff with Violet. I'm all right. Didn't see you around yesterday.
Yeah, I felt bad hogging you from Violet, so I gave you two some space. It's all good though. We'll just go ape next time we hang. Oh, that reminds me. Someone told me about this place where you can find God's old AK-47s or something. The Old City, I think it was called. My sources told me to keep it secret. But joke's on them. I don't keep secrets from my bros. You come with me, right, man? I can't be the only one with the sweet piece.
Huh. I don't get it. Is this guy out to kill me, or is he honestly just my bro?
Come on, don't leave a homie hanging.
This is too confusing to think about right now. All right, I'll go with you.
Hell yeah, bro. I'll be outside if you want to talk to me before we head off.
Swear to God, if I die today, I am gonna be so mad. Mikey, your favorite neon has returned.
Yeah, what do you want, a medal?
I think if you check my rank, you'll find I've gotten a fair amount of those already.
Could be worse. Could also be better. How about another round in lower heaven?
I was actually thinking something more along the lines of the Old City.
But the Old City? Who told you about that place?
Not important. All you need to worry about is giving me directions.
You have no idea what kind of place this is, Shrimp. I don't assign neons to the Old City. It's Green's territory now anyway.
Mikey. Intelligent, handsome, loyal Mikey. Surely you can find it in your heart to take a chance on a poor little neon with big, big dreams. I'm begging you here.
All right already. You don't have to lay it on so thick, kid. Seriously, it's undignified. I'll assign you to the dang Old City.
Yes! Thanks, Mikey. You're the man. Cat? Angel? One of those.
Yeah. Just try not to die. I'm just starting to like you.
That's very touching, Mikey.
Get out of here before I change my mind.
Whatever you say, boss.
Welcome to the Heavenly Delights kiosk. Would you like to redeem a ticket? You have this many.
Here's my ticket.
Splendid. One moment, please.
So we meet again.
No.
No way. Oh my god.
I'll show you.
Yo, are you freaking ready? White and yellow, power hour! Sorry, bro! Sick. Huh.
Ha!
Yeah! Yo, are you...
Huh. I expected to see more neons here. We're pretty alone.
Aw, this place is mad scary, dude. Like that one movie. It was about these old guys and they were like vacuuming a hotel or something when they saw a little green guy eating their food.
It disturbs me that I know exactly what he's talking about. Amnesia and horrible synopsis aside.
That little green guy gave me nightmares, man. You don't think we'll see him here, do you?
Far more likely we'll run into the huge green guy.
Bro, I don't think I can handle it if that green guy gets any bigger.
I was talking about neon green.
Oh yeah, I knew that.
Sorry for breaking your promise, Violet. I just don't sense anything off about yellow. I guess I can't rule anything out just yet, including the possibility that Violet is wrong.